Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have PlayStation 5 Slim Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 bundle. I'm exciting to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Sale on this PlayStation 5 Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Bundle Edition.
Fire! Sword! Stun incoming! Fire!
Secured 2 objectives.
Changing mag!
Signal from the UAV. Recon is...
Taking fire! X-ray down! Changing mag! Get to cover!
Style counter UAV.
Stun grenade out! Stick your...
Sniper up here. Hey! Take it. Grenade! Throw a grenade!
Get it back.
Taking objective.
We have secured the field. Mission accomplished.
Hold! Grenade!
He is active.
Go!
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.